everybody, my name is Bree and I am the high one. Today I'm going to be showing you a color journey. Someone asked for like a color journey recap, and that's what I'm here to give you today. So I'm actually just going to start from what I have on file already. Just go ahead and let you see what I got going on. When it was loose natural, I colored it jet black, and the jet black wore off, but the ends were still it made the ends lighter, and I thought that was really cute. It looked really natural, kind of sun-kissed. Even though it wasn't natural, it looked, everybody thought that it was pretty how my ends were a lot lighter than the shaft. So one thing that you can see in this clip right here, that's what it looked like. And I wanted to make the ends lighter. I wanted to exacerbate the look of, sun-kissedness. So I went in with box dye and I lightened like a little patch on the side, right here up on the side, and then also somewhere in the back on the side. And I also lightened the ends. I just wanted more of a golden situation, and I thought it was pretty. I did. It looked really natural, like I was saying, but not the color placement right here and right here, but it was still pretty to me. Okay, and then so I went in and I was serious about it this time. I was like, I'm gonna color more of the shaft of the lock. This process came out so cute. I was so in love with my hair and how light it was and how pretty, how many tones it was. It was really light on the ends, a little darker in the shaft, and then of course I left the roots brown. I left the roots a dark brown, and I think it matched my personality too, because I wanted to think of myself as just a very light being, a being of lightness. And I think I achieved that mostly there. It started to grow out and I needed it to be more exciting eventually. But starting off, it was really pretty. I liked having my hair like that, in that multi-tonal situation. I felt like it added a lot of vibrancy to my look. And of course you can see I'm wearing my hair in like all kind of different ways. Coloring your hair is one surefire way that you'll make sure you fall in love with the stuff. So, but as time went on, of course it grew out, and it's not that it wasn't as cute anymore, but I still, it's like I wanted to revamp or add more golden tones to my hair. So I picked up this hair color called Cream of Nature, and I want to tell you so much how that hair color sucked and how it was a terrible dye job and how I'll never use that ever again. The hair color sucks so much ass. I'm so against it. I'm so against it for locks especially, but maybe it does well on loose natural hair or something like that. Anyway, that color, that hair dye experience made my hair turn out to be all kind of blotchy and hideous, and it had some dark spots in there. It was just quite ugly. I'm watching this as you are watching it at the same time, and yeah, that was ugly. So I made it blue to cover up my mistake, and it took a few times for the blue to stick. I think it's maybe because like when I colored it with the brown, with the golden color, the blue was trying to force itself into the cuticle and it was having a hard time sticking. I don't really know, but it just wasn't sticking very well, and it would rinse out really easily, whereas now it's permanently blue. It's like it's gonna be blue because it's gonna be blue. making my hair blue was a surefire way that I would fall in love with it again, because I made it gold and then I loved it, and then I made it gold again and then I hated it. But when I made it blue, I loved it again. And it's always good to make sure that you have a new way to fall in love with your hair. Now, I asked Tyra to go through and remove some of the blue so I could put some purple there, which, I mean, in retrospect, I don't think it was the safest thing for my hair, for my locks at the time, but I ended up doing it. And you could tell these locks are just, they're not doing their best. They're all different tones, and I don't know. That just wasn't the best decision, but I think what I'll continue to do is put the pink on there, put the hot pink on there to make it be this upper color at the top, so that it won't look so fried. I feel like this hair looks fried. I mean, I feel like this hair has a tendency to look fried too, but when it's wet and when it's all doing the same thing, it looks good. So this is, you know, right after I curled it, which was so pretty to me. But it was right after I curled it. It didn't stay looking, it doesn't stay curly like this. Like, you just don't get to have curly, beautiful hair anymore. Once your hair gets long, it doesn't stay curly. Too bad. Anyway, that is my color thing. It's my color thing. And let me show you my hair. I don't really know if I can show you my hair laying down while I am laying down, but this is it. Anyway, that's it for our little color journey today. The next thing you want to see is a hair journey, like, I guess, leading up until this point. And I can do that. I can totally do that. I just have to get all my things together, but I can totally do it. I will do it. And yes. So I will see you all next time. Bye.